Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
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 Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Children, Lakshmi, why were you absent previous class?
Ma'am, your voice is low.
My voice is slow still.
Low, ma'am.
Now it's okay, no? Yes.
Still low. No problem.
Can't hear me now?
Ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay, so children, we've started with the new chapter that is our exponents, isn't it? Exponents, powers and exponents, exponents and powers. And we'll continue with that, okay? So I'll give the problems. Try to do it. You understood, no, how we express it as a number as the power of a prime factor. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
How will you express? We expressed 256, isn't it? The number was.
Repeat it one more time.
Okay. So we were doing this one. Listen. Okay. This board is not taken. Okay. So we'll take the board. So let us see how, before that, 2-3 problems we will do. Then we'll start with that. Okay. That will be better. Suppose one more.
Ma'am, it's not screen share.
Ma'am, you didn't.
Okay. I'll come back. Okay, listen. Okay. Here, the question is this one. Which is greater? Which is greater? This type of question is there in your text. Okay. Greater. T-O-R. Greater. 2 raised to 3 or 3 square. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2. That is 8.
2 raised to 3.
So, 3 raised to 2 is what? 3 into 3.
3. 2 times 3.
9. So, which is greater? 9 is greater than 8.
9. 3 square.
3 square is greater than 2 cube.
2 cube.
Okay.
Cube.
This is the answer. So, when you simplify, you have to be clear. Okay. It is not 2 into 3. 3 square means 3 multiplied 2 times. That is the meaning. Don't confuse. 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times.
3 times.
Okay. Next one. It is which is greater? Again, which is greater? 8 square or 2 raised to 8? Find out.
2 raised to 8.
2 raised to 8.
2 raised to
Because,
8.
8 square is equal to 8 into 8. It is 64. So what is 2 raised to 8? It is equal to 2 into
256.
2 into 2 into 2 into 2
8
into 2.
times
8
2.
times. 6, 7, 8. It is 256, isn't it?
200.
So
200.
256 is greater than 64. So we can say that 2 raised to 8. 2 raised to 8 is greater than
Greater than 2 is to
8 raised
is
to 2.
8
Okay.
raised to 2.
8 raised to 2. Clear now?
Yes.
It is
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
this problem is given for you to understand the difference between 2 raised to 8 and 8 raised to 2. Clear? Okay. So again, one more problem we can do. Then that topic is completed. That is 5 square or 2 raised to 5.
5 square or
2 raised to
2
5.
raised to 5.
Ma'am, both are same.
That is the problem.
No, ma'am, 2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5 is greater.
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5 is greater, isn't it? 2 raised to 5.
ma'am.
Yeah, 2 raised to 5 is 2
2 into 2 into 2 into
2. That
2.
means 32, isn't it? 2 twos are 4,
Yes.
4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16 into 2, 32. Now what is 5 square? 5 square is
5
5
square
into
5 into
5.
5
25.
25 only.
25.
So we can say that 2 raised to 5 is greater than 5 square.
5 squares. 5 squares.
Understood? Just like that.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question is this type.
Ma'am, other than saying 5 square, can we say like 5 raised to 2?
5 raised to 2 or second power of 5. Next is express the following as the product of, as the powers of prime factor. Product of powers of prime factors. Express the following as the powers of prime factors. Means what? We have to
Non-product of the powers.
split the number into prime factors and write it as the power of prime factors. Okay, so let us check. First one I gave you, that was 256. Okay, so that it was, we can take 2 as a prime
We'll
factor.
get
First one.
2 is to
ones
8.
are 2, 2 twos are 4, balance 1, 2 8s are 16.
64.
2 6 are 12, 64. Then again
Then
2 3
32.
is 32. Then 2 16.
Then 16.
Then 2 8.
8.
8.
Then 4
Again
2 1.
2 4. 2
2
twos
1.
are 4. 2 1. Till you get
We
1,
will get
you have
2
to
is
divide.
to 8.
So 256 we can write it as 2
2 is
raised
to
to 8.
8.
Okay. In this way you have to
And this we wrote right.
you have written in the last period the same thing. Okay.
Yes.
So in this way you have to split the number given into different prime factors and write it as the power of the prime factor.
And all this much we have to do.
Only this much you have to do. Another problem I'll give you. Another number I'll give you. You have to find out. Yes.
256 can be also written as 16 square, right?
No, 16 is not a prime number. Okay. Prime factors. It is given. Prime factors. Okay. So it is to be written as the power of prime factors. So that you have to go for prime number itself. So express the following as the powers of prime factors.
Prime
That is the question.
factors.
Prime factors. Question is that. So we have to go for prime factors.
Prime factors.
powers of prime.
Ma'am, same question.
Same question. Another number I'll give you. Another number. It is this one. Another number I'll give. That is 72. Okay. 72. Find out. Okay. 72. It will be, you will get two prime numbers. Two different types of prime numbers. Otherwise, you cannot express it like that. Express the following as powers of prime factors. Find out. Okay. Better you do.
2
Otherwise, you will not
cube,
study.
3 square,
Very good.
1,
Very
3
good. Yes.
is
And
Yes.
2 cube or we will get 3 square. 3
Okay.
square or
Two.
two.
Not or.
2 cube,
No.
3 square.
Not or. Into. Isn't it?
Sorry.
2 cube into 3 square.
3
2
square.
cube into 3
3
square.
square.
Okay. See this 72 you will get. With the 2 we can start. 2, 3s are 6, balance 12, 3, 2, 6 are 12. Then again 2, 1s are 2, 18.
Again 2.
2 9.
Then
9 will not go in 2. So take 3.
3.
3.
Then again one more
3
time
sir.
3.
And one more time 3. 1 you will get. Till 1 you get, you do it. So how many times? 2 raised to 3.
2,
Isn't it? 2,
2
1,
raised
2,
to
2.
cube and
2 cube
3 raised to
into
square.
3 square. So you will get the prime factorization like this. That is 2 cube into 3 square. So
3
now
square.
we have split the number into different powers of different prime factors. Okay, this is the
Yes.
way to write. Now next number you can see 432. Find out. 432. $432.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Sriram, tell me.
And 2 raised
Ma'am,
to
I
4
got.
into 3 cube.
2 raised to 4 and 3
2
raised
raised
to
to 4
3.
into 3 cube.
Into 3
3
cube.
cube.
Is it 3 cube you are getting or 3
Yes.
square? 3
3
square.
cube.
3 square.
And 3
Ma'am, 3 square. 3
square.
square.
3 square only, no?
Yes.
Sriram,
Yes.
just
Because we'll get
Ma'am,
9.
I also got 3 cube.
2 raised to
Ma'am,
4.
54.
2 raised to
Divided by
4
two.
into 3.
3 cube,
3
right?
cube you got. Okay, let us check.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let us check what is the answer. 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube
3
you got.
cube.
Okay. So let us see what we will get.
We got 7.
Okay. Wait. Don't, no need of 7 and all. It is number is 432. So you can start with 2, isn't it?
Yes. Will
Yes.
4.
So 432 we'll see.
So we'll get 2, 1.
The 2 twos are 4, isn't it? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are
1, 6.
12. 2 ones are 2, 0.
Then again
Okay.
2.
Then 8, isn't
We'll
it?
get
2 5s are 10, 2
Then again
54. 2 twos are 4, 27. Now you cannot take 2. We take 3.
Take 3.
So 3.
3 nines are 27.
9.
3 threes are 9.
So
Then
3
3
square.
ones are
No, 3 cube.
Okay. So we
3.
get, what is the answer? 2,
3.
1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 raised to
2
4
raised to 4 into 3
Cube.
4 into
3 cube.
There is 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube.
3 cube.
Cube.
Okay. Okay. Answer is 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube. Clear?
Ma'am, I wrote other than writing 108, I wrote 18.
Okay. Now this one. Next one. Next number you try. It is 1000. 1000.
1000.
Yes. Thousand.
I'm 2 cube into 5 cube. 2 cube into 5
cube into
2
5
cube into 5 cube.
All of you got? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So
No,
let
ma'am.
us-
I was doing only.
do it. 1000. You can take. What did you take first?
2.
Very good.
2
You
and
know it is
500.
500. Good.
500.
Then
Then
2
again 2.
250.
250.
250.
Again 2. 125.
125.
Now you took
Eh,
5.
5.
Yeah, 5.
5.
25.
How many times? 20.
25.
Then again
Again 5.
5.
5.
5.
Again
5. 1.
1.
So we get 2 cube
Cube into 5 cube.
2 cube into 5 cube.
I got 5 cube into 2 cube.
Yeah. So we will
5
write it
cube
as
into 2 cube.
2 cube
Cube
into
raised into
5 cube.
5 cube.
Ma'am, I wrote the other way.
2 cube into.
1000 divided by 5. I wrote.
Okay, no problem. But usually we start with smallest prime number 2. Okay. So it is, if you write 5 cube into 2 cube also, no problem. Answer is the same. Now another one. It is. Everybody wrote, children? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Afin, Ahmad Afin, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and another number, 343.
Ma'am, 7 cube.
Very good. 7 cube. Who told the answer?
Me.
Me. Let me check.
Emelina.
Emelina, very good. Because how you have to check is this, see this, it is not divisible by 2. You
Ma'am, I
know.
got 7
Then,
cube.
It's 7.
then we know it is not, it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 again, no, 14 will not go, 12, 23 will come. So not divisible by 3. Then a next prime number is 5. It is not divisible by 5 also. Then which is the next prime number? 7. So check with 7.
7.
Okay.
We'll get
7,
3
how
times
many?
7.
How many times? 7?
3 times.
3 times.
3.
times.
What about 4 times? 7 into 4? You didn't check?
28.
28, no?
28.
Isn't it?
Yes.
49 only.
7 into 5, it will become 35.
35.
So 7 into 4, 28, isn't it? Remaining
Yes.
63. 63 will come. Here, balance. 7 into 4, 28. 28, so 34 minus 28, you will get 6. That 6, when you take to this side, it will become 63. So
Oh,
7
seven.
into 9, 63. So 7, 7s are
Cube.
49. Is it clear? Should I do it once more?
Yes.
Check.
Ma'am, so 7 cube, right?
Yes,
So
7
answer is
cube.
7
7
into 7 into 7. So answer is 7 cube. Okay.
So we will add that which come in the most down also.
What?
That means in four.
You can do it like this. No problem.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
7 till 1. That is the method. Okay. Don't change that. You can write it like this and then take 3 sevens. Okay. Too many different types of methods. If you follow, you will forget. So do it like this only. Let 1 you get at the end. Then only you stop. Okay. So this is the way 343 comes. That is, some numbers will be like this. You have to find out which number is suiting for that and do the prime factorization. Okay. Next number, it is, next one, 648. Just check 648. 648. Find out. 648.
Two cube into 9 square.
9 is not a prime number. Amal, switch on the videos. Ahmad Afin, Emlina, Shreya, Abhinav, what is the problem? Switch on the videos.
Yes, ma'am, my video is on.
I cannot see you. Abhinav, also switch on the video. Yes. Joseph is there. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am, 2 cube, 3, 3, 4,
Cube and 3 raised to 4. 3
Ma'am.
raised to
Okay.
4.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am.
2 cube into
2 cube
and
3
4,
raised to 4.
3, 4.
3 raised to 4. Don't
Four.
say 3, 3, 4.
3, 4, 3, 4.
3 raised to 4. Okay. 3
Yes.
raised to 4 or fourth power of 3. We say 3 raised to 4. Okay. So 2 cube into 3 raised to 4.
3
Okay.
raised
2
to 4.
cube and 3, 4.
Not and, not and. If you say and, it is wrong. Into, multiplied. Okay, 2 cube multiplied with 3 raised to 4. That is the answer. Into. Okay, so we'll see what is, how you got the answer. What is the answer you get? See,
Two.
number is 6. Okay, wait. So we'll start with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8.
324.
2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 8s are 16. 81. Now you cannot continue with 2. We'll start with 3.
3.
Isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
3. It will go in 3 2s are 6. Balance 2 21 27. Right?
Yes.
So
Again,
3 9s are 27.
Again
are
3,
then 3,
9.
9, then again 3.
So now what is the number?
2,
Bring it down.
2
2
cube.
cube
2 cube into
into
3 raised to 4.
3 raised to
Yes.
4.
Yes. 2 cube into 3 raised to
3
4.
raised to 4.
Answer you get. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only one more number we can do. Remaining any numbers are there, you do it at home. Okay. Exercise problems. Now, one more problem we'll do. Then we'll pass on to the next topic. 540. Find out 540. 540.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 2
Hmm.
2 into
Hmm.
2 into 3 cube and
Not and, into.
into 5.
2, once
2
more.
into 3
2
cube.
cube into 3
3.
cube into 5.
Okay, so
Not 2 cube, 2 square.
2
rather
square. Square.
square. Okay.
2 square.
So let me ask Ayan, what is the answer you got? Ayan, what is the answer you got? Yes. Tell me the answer. Did you do the problem?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I don't have my rough book.
Then why you are sitting? I told you, no, without rough book and anything, you should not come and sit in maths class. Every day, everybody should have the notes with you. Otherwise, why you are sitting in maths? Maths, every day problems will be there. Adityan, Anu. Adityan. Adityan.
Ma'am,
Yes, what is the answer you got?
I am doing.
Doing only? Too fast? Why like this?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who got the answer? Yes, Hessa.
Nina, I got.
Ma'am, 5 into 2 square into 3 cube.
Okay,
Yes,
5
correct.
into 2 square into
3
3
cube.
cube
3
is
cube.
the answer.
2 square into 5.
2 square into 3 cube into 5.
Into 5.
Okay. Shifana, what is the answer you got? Shifana?
Ma'am,
What is the answer you got?
2 square into 3 cube into 5.
Okay. Okay, so let us see what is the answer. 540. So just take 2, isn't it? It is divisible by 2 because see this number, units place, it is 0. So it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? Balance 1. So
270.
now, is it divisible by 2 again?
Yes.
Yes,
One more
ma'am.
time
1s
with
are
2.
2.
135.
4s are 8.
then by 3.
10, 5. Isn't
Then
it?
by 5.
Then by
5,
5.
5. Okay. 5. 2s are 10.
27.
27. Then by 3.
Then 3. 9.
9s
Then
are
by again 3. Then again
Again
8.
3,
Oh,
3.
very good.
3.
So we get 2 square
2
into
square into 5.
5 raised to 1 into 3 cube.
Into
Isn't
3
it?
cube.
Okay.
Yes.
So we got everything as prime factor. Powers of prime factors. Isn't it? We split into different prime
Ma'am,
factors.
should we write 5 power
Yes.
to 1?
5 raised to 1. Write it because we are asked to write it in the exponential form of prime factors. Isn't it?
Yes.
Express the number as the product of prime factors in the exponential form. So you have to write it as 5 raised to 1. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is the time? 2:51. Okay.
9 more minutes.
Okay, next one. Listen. This question, how to answer. What is simplify? Okay. 2 into 10 cube. What is the answer?
200. 2000.
2 into 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10, isn't it? So answer is 2 into 1000.
Yes.
Answer is
2000.
Okay, similar problems are there in the text. Okay, so I'll give you the homework. You have to do it. Okay. Did you understand? It is simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Next question. It is compare.
Comparing.
2.7 into 10 raised to 12 and 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. How will you compare? We have studied decimal multiplication, isn't it?
Homework.
First we have
No. Do it now. Do it now. 5 more minutes I can take. 5 more minutes. So how will you do it, children?
First we have to
We just
Find
one
10.
listen. One decimal place is there, no? So
Yes.
that we want to shift.
won't add.
With the 110, we can shift that decimal place to right side. You know, no? When
Yes.
decimal point is multiplied by 10, it moves to the right side by 1 place.
From the last.
So we will write it as 27 into 10 raised to 11 because
11.
we have taken 110 to remove the decimal point, isn't it?
Yes.
So what is the number? 27 27 into
Into 10.
10 into 10 into 10, 11 times. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Big number, isn't it? Okay, what about the other one? 1.5 into 10 raised to 8.
15 into
15
10 raised to 7.
15 into 10 raised to 7, isn't it? So what will be that? 15 followed by 7 zeros. 1,
7,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mama, it's 15 to 10 raised to 7, 8, right?
We remove the decimal point.
Decimal point. To remove the decimal point, we took 110 from that. Multiplied with that. Understood? See, you know 1.5 into 10. What is the answer? 15.
15.
Isn't it? Decimal point shift to the right side. It will be 15.0.
7 zeros.
So 7 zeros. Which one you can see from that and tell me which is
2.7 into 10 square.
7 into
the
10.
biggest one. That is
So
Then
easily we can say that
5 into 10
2.7 into 2.7 into 10 raised to 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 raised to 8, isn't it?
raised to 8.
Yes.
Such small, one by one small problems are there. With your common sense, you have to answer. Okay. Then,
Attendance.
okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll take one more small topic. You know already. Okay.
No,
When
ma'am.
we studied integers. We have studied. So that also I can finish that also. Find the value of negative 1 cube, negative 1 cube, negative 10 cube.
Negative 1.
What is negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1? Answer is?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. What is
Negative
negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1?
Positive 1.
Positive 1. You know that, no? When number of negative numbers are odd, when number of negative numbers multiplied is odd, answer is always negative.
Negative.
And when number of negative numbers multiplied is even, then answer is positive.
Positive.
You have to do 3 or 4 problems that negative numbers are given and raised to 10. Yeah. So this one you know, no? What is the answer for this?
Negative 1000.
Negative 1000.
Okay, so we'll take attendance now. Okay. Yeah.